Ever felt like your business data is scattered across a million different spreadsheets, emails, and sticky notes? Like you're trying to build a spaceship with Legos from different sets? And if you're thinking, yeah, that's pretty much my life, then you've probably heard whispers of NetSuite, the all-in-one cloud business management solution. But here's the real question. How do you actually get in? How do you unlock that digital fortress of streamlined operations and insightful reporting? Because let's be honest, just knowing NetSuite exists isn't enough. You need to know how to navigate it, how to make it your operational hub. So, if you're wondering how to access NetSuite, whether you're a brand new user, a seasoned employee transitioning to a new role, or just curious about what the fuss is all about, you're in the right place. We're going to break down the process step by step, demystify the jargon, and get you logged in and ready to roll. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why NetSuite access is so crucial. It's not just about logging into a website. It's about tapping into a powerful platform that connects your entire business. From financials and inventory to CRM and e-commerce, NetSuite aims to provide a unified view of your operations. This means better decision-making, improved efficiency, and ultimately, a more streamlined and profitable business. Now, let's talk about the access process itself. It's not as simple as just typing in a URL and hitting enter. There are several key components involved, and understanding them will ensure a smooth and secure login experience. First and foremost, you need a NetSuite account. This might seem obvious, but it's the foundation of everything. If your company is already using NetSuite, an administrator will create an account for you. This account will be associated with your email address and will be assigned specific roles and permissions based on your job responsibilities. Think of it as your digital key to the NetSuite kingdom. Once your account is created, you'll receive an email with your login credentials. This email will typically include a temporary password and a link to the NetSuite login page. It's crucial to keep this email safe and secure, as it contains sensitive information. Now, let's talk about the login page. The standard NetSuite login URL is system.netsuite.com. However, some companies may have customized their login URL for security or branding purposes. If you're unsure of your company's specific login URL, consult your NetSuite administrator. When you access the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. This is where those credentials from the email come into play. Enter them carefully, paying attention to capitalization and any special characters. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll likely be asked to change your temporary password to a strong, unique password. This is a crucial security measure, so don't skip it. A strong password should be a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. It should also be long enough to be difficult to guess. Now, here's where things can get a bit more complex. NetSuite often utilizes two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. 2FA adds an extra layer of protection by requiring you to provide a second form of verification, such as a code from a mobile app or a text message. If your company has enabled 2FA, you'll be prompted to set it up during your initial login. This usually involves downloading an authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or Authy, on your smartphone. The app will generate a unique code that you'll need to enter along with your password. This might seem like an extra step, but it's essential for protecting your company's sensitive data. By requiring a second form of verification, 2FA makes it much harder for unauthorized users to access your NetSuite account. Once you've completed the login process, you'll be taken to your NetSuite dashboard. This is your personalized homepage, where you can access the various modules and features that you have permission to use. Now, let's talk about roles and permissions. NetSuite is a highly customizable platform, and your access to different features will depend on your assigned roles and permissions. These are set by your NetSuite administrator and are designed to ensure that you only have access to the information and tools that you need to perform your job. For example, a sales representative might have access to CRM and sales order modules, while an accountant might have access to financial and reporting modules. Understanding your roles and permissions is crucial for navigating NetSuite effectively. If you're unsure about your roles and permissions, consult your NetSuite administrator. They can provide you with a detailed overview of your access rights and help you understand how to use the platform effectively. Now, let's address some common access issues. One of the most common problems is forgotten passwords. If you forget your password, you can use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, and NetSuite will send you a password reset link. Another common issue is locked accounts. If you enter your password incorrectly multiple times, your account may be locked for security reasons. If this happens, you'll need to contact your NetSuite administrator to unlock your account. Also, be sure to check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for accessing NetSuite. If you're experiencing connectivity issues, try restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. If you're still having trouble accessing NetSuite, don't hesitate to reach out to your company's IT support or NetSuite administrator. They can provide you with personalized assistance and help you troubleshoot any issues. Now, let's move beyond the initial login and talk about some best practices for maintaining secure access. First and foremost, never share your login credentials with anyone. This includes colleagues, friends, and family members. Your NetSuite account is your personal responsibility, and sharing your credentials can put your company's data at risk. Secondly, always log out of NetSuite when you're finished using it. This is especially important if you're using a shared computer or device. Leaving your account logged in can make it vulnerable to unauthorized access. Thirdly, keep your password strong and unique. Avoid using easily guessable passwords, such as your name, birthday, or common words. Change your password regularly, especially if you suspect that it may have been compromised. Fourthly, be cautious of phishing emails and suspicious links. Cybercriminals often use phishing emails to trick users into revealing their login credentials. Never click on links or open attachments from unknown senders. Fifthly, keep your Authenticator app updated. Software updates often include security patches that can protect your device from vulnerabilities. Finally, stay informed about NetSuite security updates and best practices. NetSuite regularly releases security updates and provides resources to help users maintain secure access. Stay up to date on the latest security recommendations to ensure that your account remains protected. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.